Boo. Did I get you? Ah, well. So, what are we up to this week? Ooh, a lunch date, huh? That works for me. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, so I'm actually pretty hungry. What, my outfit? Oh, thanks. I'm glad you like it. I think it's super cute, too. Okay, let's go get some food before you start looking like a big talking hot dog or something. Oh, wow. This place looks so cozy. Can we sit by a window? I prefer window booths because the seats are usually more comfortable. Great. Now, let's take a look at that menu. Oh my god, they serve strawberry lemonade here. Oh, right. Inside voice. Sorry. I'm not sure what I want to eat, though. I mean, I kind of want waffles, but that might not be the best thing for lunchtime. You know what? Waffles it is. Yeah, that was me. That's kind of embarrassing. You thought it was cute. Thanks, I guess. Oh, not again. What? Oh, it's nothing. Just this guy who rented me a few months ago. He seemed really nice at first. He was funny and confident, and I actually had a really fun time. But now he's starting to get a little much. He keeps booking entire days with me, and while we're together, he keeps trying to push the limits of what's allowed. No, nothing like that. I just mean he keeps trying to hug me all the time or, accidentally touch my leg. Stuff like that. And once you've been doing this job for long enough, you learn to tell the difference between the ones who are in a bad place and may actually need a hug, or the creeps who just want to brag about what they did with a pretty girl. And this guy is definitely the latter. I mean, that's not even the worst part, though. He found out my personal contact info and will not stop messaging me. Yeah, I mean, I reported him to the agency, and they banned him from ever using the service again, but there's not much they can do about him having my contact info. I mean, they passed all the relevant information over to the authorities, but even they can't do anything about him unless he actually does something. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to burden you with my troubles. I mean, this is a date. We're supposed to be having fun. Ooh, I know what'll turn the mood around. Do you want to get a really big strawberry lemonade and share it? Great. These waffles are amazing. This is just the sugar rush I needed. Between the waffles drowning in syrup and this gigantic strawberry lemonade, I'm just hoping I don't get a sugar crash and fall asleep on the train home. So what do you want to do once we're done eating? A ride on a ferry? You mean like on a boat? That's... I'm sorry, but I'm kind of scared of going on boats. I know it's silly, but I can't help it. I get scared I'm gonna fall in the water and start to panic. Is there anything else we could do? I know. Why don't we go back to the arcade? We haven't been back there since the first time you rented me. Cool. Let's finish up eating here and we'll head out. Hey, looks like I almost have enough tickets to get that giant teddy bear. I know it's really big, but look, it's so cute. Oh, that's really sweet of you, but you don't have to give me your tickets. You won those fair and square yourself. You really don't mind? Oh, okay then, if you insist. Thank you. You really are a sweetie. Now, thanks to you, I only need a couple more. Yeah, I think I can do it if I play one more round of skee ball. What? Oh, man. That little girl beat me to it. Oh, well. That's probably for the best. I definitely don't have enough room for it at my place. Maybe I'll get like 200 erasers instead or something. Although I probably don't have room for that either. I think I'll just hang on to the tickets for now. I can always come back another time. I could use a little pick-me-up. You want to get out of here and go get some coffee? It's on me. Great. Let's go. No, I'm fine. I just I wasn't expecting you to just take my hand like that. You kind of caught me off guard. What? No, I don't mind. Let's go and get some coffee. Oh, that's good. I definitely needed the caffeine. Sorry we had to find a food truck for this. I didn't realize all the cafes were at closing time already. You don't mind? Are you sure? Okay then. No. You don't have to pay me back for your coffee. It's my treat. Yes, really. Consider it a thank you for always making our dates super fun. I'm serious. I always have such a fun time with you. Every time I see you've booked a date with me, I get really excited. Then I spend the rest of the week counting down the days until I get to go on a date and see you. You too? Well, I'm glad you enjoy yourself around me. Damn. Looks like our time's almost up for today. What do you say? You want to walk me to the train station? Alright. Let's go. Well, once again, this has been super fun. I hope you plan on renting me again. Great. Sorry again about ruining your boat plan. Hey, this really isn't my place, and if you're busy, you can say no, but would you do me a favor? Could you rent me for the whole of Wednesday afternoon? I wouldn't usually ask something like that, but that guy I told you about earlier just messaged me saying he's free then and he's going to rent me. Yeah, the agency did ban him, but I guess if he makes an alternate account from a new email and a different IP address, he could still have full access to the service. I think. You'll do it? Right now? Oh, thank you so much. I owe you big time for this. Oh, hang on a second. I got a little lip gloss on your cheek. There, all gone. So you made it for Wednesday afternoon? Great. I'm glad I'll get to spend it with you instead. In fact, hand me your phone for a second. Don't worry, I'm not going to do anything shady. Thank you. There you go. That's my my personal number. I enjoy talking to you so much that I thought maybe we could, stay in touch outside of rental dates. And plus, this way we can plan out what we're going to do on our dates together instead of all the work being on you. Oh, good. Can I have your number too? Awesome. Here, put it in my phone. Thanks. I'll text you later. But just like the cheek kisses at the end of the dates, you gotta keep this between us, okay? Great. Alright, well, I'll see you on Wednesday then. I'm gonna go wait on the platform for my train. You can head home now if you want. I'll be fine. Bye. I love you.